Tengnoupal district ki Gorau Pokpida census kamari lainana enumerator amadi supervisor singi chathagadaba training Jfd amadi Nagalub singna mai pakhankidre hairi mafam aduda laiba St Joseph Higher Secondary School da training yawnaba district adugi tongan mafam singdagi lainga ki employee sing ayuk pung mapan rom tabadagi laknakhe masing yamlaba trainee sing aduna school asigi campus manungda changnaba thaurang tawringaida Jfd ki task force yawna Chandel Naga People's Organization Maring Upar Assembly ge luchingba amadi thaumi sing yausilatuna thingkhi athingba aduna maram oiraga training yaubala kheba employee sing school manungda changbangam dana mapanda laina khe loyana training yaubala kheba singda Jfd task force ke luchingba singna census tawbadage oirakadaba amangba sing khanghanduna wakhal tahan khe tanjadu da school asigi maikei dagi su athingba lairabadi training tawbirano hairakpadagi employee sing hanakhe employee sing na hanakraba matung machi police station ge OC masa yauna police kangbo ama laktuna yengsinki adubu pamdaba thodokti thokhide
Lojing noya amadi Manipur ki chingi lamsingda yamna ingna chingna pangthokpa yanabagi mongda sillangambase masi laibak thibani masi tahonjaningde masina henadum koigi asawbada hena hengatkiduna khangbangmagi pankhai lalakani koin tawjari bupune masi tungi mirongi amadi lamdam masida leba yellow furup sing asigi identity amadi akoigi punsirona se tamna singnarakpasida tawde adadana chongthokdana tawjabani haijingo famdi chingi famda lebiriba organization sing amadi JFD ka chamineba organization singna mikumna hum singna sumaina tapakil lamdadi cancel tawgagasu chingi famda lona census training pangthokpase punna tawdana bo honaminasi